Sexual and asexual reproduction. Welcome to my channel Smart Science. Reproduction is the biological process by which new individuals are produced from their parents. There are two different types of reproduction. They are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves two parents and produce genetically identical offspring, such as human, birds, and insects. Two haploid gametes join in the process of fertilization to produce a diploid zygote. Here we can take an example of human beings where egg and sperm fertilize to give an embryo. Asexual reproduction. In this process, here only one parent produces offspring which are genetically identical to the parents. Here we can take an example of amoeba. In this process of reproduction, binary process is take place to give an identical daughter cells. Types of asexual reproduction are budding, fragmentation, fission, spores, vegetative propagation, and parthenogenesis.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.